Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about Emmie, our email marketer with Sintra AI. In order to do so, here we are at Sintra.ai and we're all logged in. And here on the homepage, you will find Emmie, our email marketer, and we can go ahead and click on that. And this is going to bring you to our page for Emmie. And there are a few things we could take a look at. First off, you have your chat box here. So if you just want to get the conversation started, then you can go ahead and just type in here whatever it is that you want to talk to Emmie about. Usually you're going to want to keep that about email marketing, and Emmie will create a generation for you. And the information that you get with Sintra is really invaluable. Quite honestly, it is one of the top AI tools that I have come across. If you're a new business owner, or you have an established business, but you're looking for an edge, Sintra is an amazing platform and you get so much value out of it. So you can go ahead and just type in here whatever it is that you might be interested in. You can also use the voice function. So if you just want to chat away to Emmie, you can do that, and same thing. And so you don't have to type it in there. If you have any files that you want to attach, so any information that you have that you want to bring in for Emmie to analyze, so you don't have to type it all out every single time, then you can do that. You can attach your file and Emmie will analyze it, and you can put in your question and get the answer you're looking for. So we'll take a closer look here at some of the options we have with Emmie. First off, we have our settings cog here. And if we click on that, then you can change the way that Emmie responds to you. So right now we have our vibe to strictly professional, but we can toggle that. And we can put that to official, business casual, friendly, super chill, however it is that you want Emmie to talk to you. You could change your message length from short, medium to long. You could change the language from business casual to expert. And you can make it so that Emmie will always search Google for answers. You can even toggle the writing style if you want Emmie to sound more like you and to replicate your writing style. Once you have decided on your settings, then you can hit save changes. You also have custom instructions in here. So if you click on that, if you have any additional instructions that you want to give Emmie, then you can put that in there, and Emmie will actually remember all of that and maintain that for you in terms of the responses that you get. It'll help dial things in for you. So that's really neat. So if you want to start a new chat, you can click on that. And there we go. So we have a new chat open. And if you're not sure what to talk about, Emmie's going to provide some helpful suggestions here. Boost email open rates quickly. Design engaging welcome emails. Grow an email subscriber list. All of that there you can click on, and that'll show up down here in your chat box, and then you can just hit send. So what actionable insights can I use to build an email list from my YouTube audience and Discord community without a large budgeting market? And then we can go ahead and hit send on that. And oh, we have an error there, but that's fine. That just gives you an idea of how that's going to work. And from there, we can go into the power-ups section. So if we go to power-ups, we hit see all, then you can see here for the different power-ups that Emmie has available. We've got the abandoned cart email generator, create abandoned cart flow emails, onboard new subscribers with a welcome flow email generator. You can create a monthly email campaign calendar with holidays and ideas, create a pop-up text for your store with an offer, create an email with educational content for your subscribers, create win-back emails to reconnect with past customers, create post-purchase emails that increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, and create campaign emails based on your offer. So these are all the ways that you can use Emmie, your email marketer. And if we click on any of these, so let's go ahead and create an email with educational content for your subscribers. We'll click on that. And so here we can enter in our educational topics. So if there's a specific topic you want to send an email about, so we'll go ahead and say top AI tools. And then from here, we can also create custom instructions. If we want to put that in there, we can really dial that in. And then when we're done, we can go ahead and click on generate. And then Emmie is going to generate our email for us. So in this case, not sure why I was getting the error before, but here we can actually see what Emmie's going to do for us. So she has actually created this very nice email that we can send out. And this is going to just give us a nice little educational email to send out to people. ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, Sintra, Cider, DeepSeek, all of that there. And then you can copy that, you can edit that, you can regenerate it if you want, you can improve it, and you can send that out as an email, saving you time and helping you engage with your customers, your clients, your audience, and saving you a lot of time. So that gives you an idea of everything that Emmie is capable of. And again, there's so much value that you can find with Sintra. And if you are interested in giving it a shot, well, guess what? If we're going to click on here, you can get 1 month free by putting in this code. So if you put in code 2R3PE, we'll go ahead and try out Sintra for 1 month. And I guarantee that you will love it. I think it is a fantastic AI platform. There's a lot of different tools out there, and quite honestly, some of them you can get some good value out of. Some of them are really gimmicky, but Sintra is the real deal, and I highly recommend it. You can use this code to get 1 month free. And also, if you check out the link in the description, you will find code SkillCraft60, and if you use that, you'll get 60% off your subscription, and you'll be helping us out as well if you do that. So that gives you at least a reason to get started with Sintra. And again, if you are a new business owner or even an established business owner and you're trying to find some kind of an edge, this is just a fantastic brainstorming tool. And we'll just head over here so you could see the other AI employees that you have access to. You've got Buddy for business development, you've got customer support, e-commerce, data analysis, personal development, sales manager, copywriter, recruiter, SEO specialist, social media manager, virtual assistant. There is just so much value here to explore. We can go to our power-ups here and you can see that each of our AI assistants has its own power-ups that we can take advantage of. We've got image generation, we've got marketing strategies that we can create. We have FAQ generators. If you're looking to create an FAQ for your website, this can save you a lot of time. There's just so much here. One of my favorite tools, if we can find it here, is the negotiation advisor. This is incredible. So if you are looking for guidance on negotiating a certain deal, then this is something that you can take advantage of. And it is a really helpful tool. If you're somebody who's doing cold calling, well, you can even write scripts for your cold calls as well. You can use that negotiation advisor. It can really help you out to give you an edge when you're calling potential clients and trying to land a deal. But there's just so much here. If you are looking for social media posts, it's all here for you. And again, there's so much good I could say about Sintra. I really believe in it. I think it's a fantastic platform and highly recommend it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, as I said, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Use SkillCraft60 to get 60% off your subscription. Use that code that I gave you earlier in order to get 1 month free. Get started with Sintra. I guarantee you'll love it. Also, if you are looking for a new bank, an online bank, check out Simply Financial. You can get $50 to start if you open an account. And if you refer your friends after you've opened an account, you'll get $125. Your friends will get $50. It's a win-win situation, and Simply Financial is a great bank. I can personally attest to it. I highly recommend it. Check it out today.